Hello grade 6 students and welcome to the new social studies class. So today we have a chapter 2 early farmers and the dwellers and lesson 1 producing food. So before we going to start our lesson, we're going to unlock some vocabulary words. So the first word we have is a drought. And by drought means long periods of time with no rain, so the land becomes really dry. Second word is domestic, and by domestic it means raising rare plants and animals. Third word we have is livestock and means animals that produce resources. Now fourth word, which is agriculture and using modern methods of farming. Now surplus and means extra supply of food or more than what is needed. Last word, which is a slash and burn, and it's a kind of farming method. At the end of the last ice age, climate became warmer and drier in many places, so people need to adapt to these new changes. So some of them became better at storing food, while others made new weapons for hunting smaller animals, while others became farmers. This map shows you where the early farming areas took place in several continents. So let's talk about the agricultural revolution. So after the people know how to domesticate plants, and people changed their nomadic way of life to farming. So farmers lived in permanent settlements instead of keep moving from one place to another, and even they developed new rules for working and living together. People who lived in southwestern Asia began to domesticate plants by collecting the seeds from wild plants and then get them back and plant them to get better crops. So the development of agriculture made a lot of changes in the way of people lived. So first of all, people gave up nomadic life and they worked together. So people settled in places where resources were plentiful. Usually they settled down beside Ifrit and Abu Huraira. So let's see what resources did these two had. First of all, they had a plentiful water supply to drink water and to water the crops as well. And they had many wild plants that people can gather and cultivate seeds. And several animals where the people could hunt these animals for food, or they can capture or tame these animals. This is the location of Euphrates and Tigris rivers. So Euphrates River is located now in Iraq, while Abu Huraira is located in Syria. This picture shows how the houses were in Abu Huraira. That was all for today. Thank you so much, and we'll continue our lesson next time.